Most businesses do not fail overnight. They fail slowly. They fail because of poor systems, weak discipline, inconsistent execution, bad cash flow management, resistance to change, and an ultimate lack of accountability. Average businesses spend more time making excuses than making improvements. Successful businesses are obsessed with growth. They improve systems, they track performance, they adapt quickly, they learn continuously, and they execute consistently. Success is not about luck, it is about standards. At QuinPay, we believe entrepreneurs must stop operating casually if they want serious results in their businesses. The businesses that survive long term are the businesses that stay disciplined, they are innovative, and they are focused on constant improvements. Average businesses react. Great businesses prepare, they adapt, and they execute relentlessly.